Hello. Welcome generals, noobs, pros to another Let's Mod Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. 0 Hour best game. Unfortunately, I already did make a recording for over an hour, but I noticed that the screen was black for the majority of the recording. So yeah, I guess I have to scrap it. So this is what it looked like. It started great. Everything was working. But then I opened Task Manager, and from that point on, it just looked like this. Gray screen, black screen. Yeah, until I noticed, but then it was already too late. Okay, but yeah, I can give a recap of what has been done. I did debug this camera issue in w3dview, where moving the mouse to one direction. So I'm moving the mouse to the right side now, and the camera moves to the left. Or the other way around. I move the mouse to the left and the camera moves to the right. So yeah, there's this problem. I looked at code and I figured that, where was it? I had great difficulties finding the place, but I did find it. Wait, I already created the pull request, so we can look at that. It was this function. This see graphics view on mouse event, and there it does take a transform from the camera, translation matrix, and then it calculates a vector here given by point and mouse for x and y, and there it modifies this by times -1, means it inverts it, and it inverts it on both x and y, but it's not supposed to invert it on x. So removing this times -1 fixes the problem, and here for the y it's okay. That's working correctly. And then it passes then it translates the matrix by this new vector, builds a matrix out of some rotation. I did not understand what's going on here because I commented out the post and it behaved this exact same way, so that's kind of weird, but okay, this fixes the problem. So removing this fixes the problem. Yeah, and so I have created a pull request for that, and now also created a pull request for the DDS file buffer overrun that John Will has provided for us in response to all these crashes we were getting. And so far that has been working pretty stable. So I think that's good to go, and hopefully we will have a stable w3d viewer now. Yeah. Okay, yeah, so that was a recap of the majority of what I did the last hour. Then I also started working on textures. Last time we did finish cbmogdis03, so now I went to cbmogdis04, which I've already completed the summer and the winter texture set for previously and previous polishing pass. So we just need to finish the night textures. However, I did notice that yesterday I forgot to check, like, okay, how about we add the shadows to the window barricades of cbmogdis03? I did have that in mind 2 days ago when I created the night textures for this texture set, but then I forgot about it, of course. But so I did it now in the video that I recorded previously, but which I had to discard. And so yeah, basically it looks like this. The original texture is like this, just the wooden barricades on top of the windows, but without shadows. And so I just put the shapes with the shadows, and then it looks like so. And I think that's a decent visual improvement. The many other textures also do it like this, or also the original textures. So they put the window barricades, but then put the shadows underneath, so that they have a little bit of more depth. They pop a bit more, so that you see that, okay, there's some distance between the window and the window barricades. So, you know, just, yeah, 2D art, shadow, yeah, drawn in. Makes sense, right? So I think there's a slight visual improvement, so we can do this. Yeah. One thing though, I think down here maybe we can optimize this a bit. Now looking at this again, yeah, maybe this is a bit too long. Maybe. And this one as well. Maybe. Yeah, I guess. Yeah, can do that. Okay, but then that means I also need to update the other textures again. DG, copy it over, duplicate. Yeah, it's a bit unfortunate that I lost 1 hour of recording, but no problem. I just record so much. It doesn't matter. There will be so much content. I just should make sure that it doesn't happen in the future again. I don't know what triggers this. Ah, the opening task manager. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Okay, so this is the correct one. Yeah. Okay, and then we also need to copy this to the. You missed that part because it was deleted. So basically, the cbmogdis04 is very similar to the 03. The only difference is it's green. The house is green. Other than that, it's the same building. And it's a bit sharper. The texture is sharper. Yeah. Otherwise, it's the same. Yeah. And what I've also noted is that there are a bunch of errors here with the so I've loaded the whole model set or the model variants of cbmogdis04, and it does use textures from other models. So as you can see here, it uses from 03, from 05, 06, and 08, which does not make a whole lot of sense because it's not the same building. And the disadvantage of this is that when you load in-game this model, it does not just load the textures that is assigned, created for this model, but also others, and that increases the texture memory requirements for this model unnecessarily. It's not clear to me why it's necessary to load the green one, but then also the gray one, right? I mean, the green one should be enough if that's what this object is supposed to look like, right? Everything should be on this one texture, right? So yeah, this is something I've noted, and then we come back to that once we get to the model fixes. Not a problem. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, I wanted to copy over the barricades to 04. Yeah. Looks good. And copy to DG as well. DG. Oh, by the way, I That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. I mean, if we really wanted to be picture perfect, actually we would have two. Oh. Okay, there's something I just realized now. There's a problem with what I did here. Do you see it? I see it. You see it too. The problem is the barricades don't draw shadows over each other. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. But we can fix this. We create the shapes 1 and we create the shapes 2 and make a copy of it. Where we call it a shapes bottom and shapes top. And now we delete all the shapes at the from the bottom layer that are at the top. So these ones are at the top. This one is at the top. Oof, it's hard to see. Wait, let's get an overview first. So these are at the top. These two. This one. This one. And these two. Yeah. Okay, so we take this, this, and this, and this, right? Did I make a mistake? And we delete these. And then we take shapes top. Wait, is that correct? Ah, no. No. That's wrong. That's wrong. Shapes bottom needs to contain all, I think. So, and shape top. Ah, but no. Ah, wait. Calm down. Maybe subtract. Maybe. Oh boy, I'm a bit confused, I have to say. A bit confused. Is that right? No, I think not. That looks totally wrong. What am I doing? Okay, I need to wrap my head around this. I mean, it's not a big deal. I mean, if you can't get it right, then so be it. But I think it should be possible somehow. Okay. So these. Maybe I have an idea. How about How about first we revert everything to what it was originally, combine the shapes, yeah, and then we take shapes top, and there we remove all the bottom ones. This. So these are all the tops, but now they draw very heavy shadows over the background twice. So we take this and then we draw it over this. Does that work? No, that does nothing. Ah, right, because it's no draw. But you see, you get the point, right? So we also have barricades drawing over other barricades. That's the goal here. But it's not quite right. How do we fix that? How do we fix that? I don't know. There probably is a way. I think I've done this before somewhere, but I can't recall. Yeah. Sure. There must be a way. I'm not giving up so easily. Yeah. Fight till the end. No. Probably is a way. It would require that we I don't know. Shit. Maybe it's really easy. But I'm not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. Ah. I think I know. I think I know. I have an idea. I hope. How about we make it gray? Neutral gray. Same on this one. 128. And then, which one is it? No. Overlay? Yeah, overlay, I think. Yeah, and then remove these shapes here, bottom ones. Wait. This. Oof. No, that's not right. Oh boy. If we delete this. Yeah, I don't know. There's probably some way, but I can't wrap my head around this right now, which is unfortunate. But okay, maybe we can just live with the double shadow. Okay, it's not a big deal, I guess. And we just make it a bit weaker about that. 50% maybe. Let's see. Yeah, maybe we do that. Ah, it looks good enough, I think. Yeah. Yeah, okay. There's probably some way to do this properly, but I cannot wrap my head around this, how this is done. But I think I did it in the past. Already mentioned that. What am I doing here? Okay. Good. Okay. Yeah. I guess we can do this. It's not perfect, but doesn't have to be, I guess. Maybe someone can write in the comments how it's supposed to be done. It's probably possible, but okay, it's not a big deal. Good. Duplicate group to G. Yeah, then let's delete this. Yeah. And DG to this one. Oh. What's wrong here? Huh? Oh. So here... Huh. Okay. Okay, so here we have broken windows. And the barricades are broken, and here not. Is that as per original? Let's see. cbmogdis04 DG. That is... That looks different. It doesn't have the broken windows behind the barricades. That's what I fixed. And then I just erased all this. cbmogdis. Okay, how does DSG look like? Also like this. Okay. Yeah. w3dview. Oh, where is it? w3dview. Show yourself. I don't see it there. Okay. Okay, so it looks like I took liberty back in the day and like damaged the window barricades even. Yeah. Okay, but the 04 doesn't have that. But okay, it gives a little bit of a distinction between those two buildings. So this one has a barricades destroyed and this one has them still intact and just the windows are shattered. Right, so there's a little bit of a difference. I guess the only problem that this will pose is... No, it doesn't make a problem because this one uses its own night textures. Good, 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 good. All right, then... Okay, then we roll with this. We put... So we use a barricade shadows G for DG, 04 DG. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Good. Okay. All right. Then let's see if this actually looks proper. Yeah, barricades look good. And the difference to DG, zoom out a bit. That also looks proper. Yeah. Okay, then we can save this and this. Then let's check SG. No, not this. SG and the SG. Yeah. SG and TSG. Okay. Do we need shadows here? No, it's fine. Okay, then let's did I change anything here? I don't think so. Then I would say DG somehow I forgot to check the alpha channel. We should probably do that. Let's remove this. We can also delete this. Yeah, there's a lot of things to check on these texture sets. So really make sure that there are no errors. Okay, it doesn't have an alpha channel. This also not, but of course this does. Yeah. Oh, but the E does not. Removes obsolete alpha channel. Okay, looks like that was intentional. Okay. Let's double check that our recording is proper this time, and it looks like so. That's good. Okay, so yeah, so the summer texture set is okay. Night textures will look soon. Let's check the winter. This SSG. Yes. Okay, looks like all the textures were touched here. Yeah. SG. SG. DS. Okay. That looks okay. ES, RS. Okay, damage transition, yes. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 Yeah, I think the winter set also looks good. Let's close that. And so now for the night textures, I think we can reuse night textures from cbmogdis03 because the windows are pretty much the same apart from the damaged barricades. These are different. So I think what we can do is let's see. Visual Studio Code. We go to optional items and yeah. So we take CB. Oof. Here, cbmogdis generates map cbmogdis n, and we export this as 04n. Wait, it's a PSD file, PSD. And then we do it with dn and ng as well, yeah, but not dng, that not. Now the same for the snow. So we can reuse 6 of the textures and 2 we need to remake, I think. Slightly modify. DSN, and SNG. Yeah, so 6 textures reused. Yeah. So basically we take the 03 PSD textures and we also export it as a 04 variant. Same texture basically. Yeah. Okay. So this should be good. And then we make we make a copy of DNG and DSNG. Yeah. Put that in here. Name it 04 DSNG 04. Yeah. And oh. 04 DNG. Where is it? Huh? I made a mistake, I think, with the renaming. Oh boy. Let's try again. 04 DNG. And 04 DSNG. Okay, now it's correct. Here, now we have them. Yeah. Good, let's open these. And so basically what we need to do now is just remove this alpha channel, I think. Yeah, and then that will fix it. Yeah, good. Then just delete layer mask. And the same here, delete layer mask. And done. Good. Save as. Oh, no, we just need to save. Okay, then let's build that. We need to open mod builder. Okay, build. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so this is now the greenhouse with the night lights, and that looks proper. Yeah, that looks good. And now DNG. Oh, that looks wrong. Here, this looks wrong. Okay. Let's take a look at NG. That looks correct. SNG. Yeah, that doesn't use the snow texture, but okay, we know this. Okay, but something is wrong here with this black thingy here. What is wrong there? DN DSN DN DSN, huh? Oh, let's open cbmogdis04 as reference. N and G SN. Okay. Oh, that's not quite right. Okay, so DN and DN. Okay, these look the same. DNG. Ah, okay, it's the same bug as this one. DNG. Yeah. What is the bug though then? It uses wrong texture. Why? Do we take notes? It uses ng maybe? It uses ng. Right. So DNG uses ng, and that's why there's this black thing here. Yeah. There. That's why. Yeah. Hmm. Good. Okay. Okay. Then I think what we do, we take the same notes here. Use new 04 textures and models. Yeah. Okay, so then we can also put notes here what we just did. What did we do? Probably the same that we did on 03. Recreates house lights. Yeah. Fixes broken window lights. I can't remember what that was. Fixes broken window lights. Let's see. NG. Right. It uses broken. Yeah. Broken window lights in non-broken night texture. Yeah. Same issue with 04. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so we do it like the same way. This also on new. Is same. Good. 04. Really making progress here. Very nice. Very good. Okay. So and I think the difference in broken barricades is also fine. Makes them a bit more distinct from each other. So 03 DG and 04 DG. Basically this looks like that. Like this. And this like this. Yeah. So this makes them a little bit more unique. Apart from the color. Yeah, I think that's good. Yeah. Good. All right. Then I think this texture set looks good, right? I did not see any problems. The winter looked good, the summer looked good, and the night. What we can check is if actually the snow is the same. So we go on S. Yeah. No, this is not the correct. S. Where is it? I don't see it. Hello. Hello. Here. S and DS. And then also this. Ah, we don't have S here. Huh. Okay. Maybe we can just look at it here. cbmogdis. I would like to see it in Photoshop, I think. Okay, let's open it here. cbmogdis04. S, please. Yeah. And DS. Yeah. Okay. So basically I would like to see if the snow is the same, so that the night textures can use the same snow. Yeah. Uh-huh. I mean, there is some difference. There's some shadow here on this snow, but here not. See that? Some shadowing. But other than that, it looks identical to me. So I think, yeah, we can use the same snow and night for these two textures. That's fine. How does DS look? DSN. Ah, we have it open here. Yeah, that looks okay to me. Yeah, I think that's also fine. Here's a little bit of a discrepancy, but yeah, who cares? It's fine. I think it's fine. Looks okay. Good. No, I think then this texture set is also done. I think. So we can create a pull request for this. Main branch. I think we need to stash first. Pull. Slash pop. Okay. Delete. Force delete. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Create branch. Texture. cbmogdis04. Very good. And yeah, so we updated here. We added the shades to the window barricades we document it here as well? Yeah, we did. Okay. Good, and then we can take all these bad boys, put it here. Here's some thunderstorms, that's good. Or bad. Okay. Then I think we also need to check. Here. cbmogdis. Okay, there's nothing. That's good. All right. Then we got this. Yeah. Do we need to erase any textures? Did we miss anything? Let's see. These ones were not used. So I think we are fine. This one was also not used. Yeah. No, then I think this is good. Yeah, this one was edited now. Maybe DG. This one, let's double check if it's all good. Yeah, it's good. All right. Then we can delete this, 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 this. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 files. Does that make sense? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think we made a mistake, didn't we? Oh boy, the brain damage again. No, we didn't make mistake. First of all, because only I would make mistake, of course. You as a viewer are in the luxury spot of not making any mistakes by watching the video and make everything right. No, so 13, we expect 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 13, 14. 14. We expect 14. Why? What did we forget to document then? Or what did we do wrong here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have only 13 PSTs here. What did we miss? Something is not right. There's a D. There's a E. Here. There is an R. G and DG, yes. S and SG, yes. Ah, we have SG documented twice. That's a problem. Okay. Fix snow shadow mismatches with cbmogdis. Maybe you can just yeah, we just remove it here. Okay. All right, problem fix. Good. Yeah, sometimes it's worthwhile to count if everything's there. Sometimes there's some errors in my documentation. Yeah. Also, we have some notes here. We need to copy these down here. Like this, and okay. Okay. Documentation. That's the easiest part, actually. It's a bit annoying to do documentation, but it's low effort. It's just monkey work, right? Trains the monkey brains. Suppresses. Why did I write it like this? E and R. E and R. Oh. Oh. Ah, okay. So what I fixed here was like really strong bevel emboss. That was fixed. Yeah. And that was fixed as well. Yeah, somehow too bright here. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. That makes sense. How did it look here? Hmm. Oh, oh. Okay. Whatever. All right. Yeah, I think texture set looks good. Then, I also need to take this one here. And I think that's it. Fix cbmogdis04 textures. Yeah. Commit. And now we can push it. Let's double check that we didn't forget anything. Oh, looks good. Good. Push. And by the way, there are only under 800 civilian textures left to merge. Yeah, we're making progress. Here, all these left to merge, all these fixes. It is a lot. It is a lot. But I think over the next weeks, we should be able to power through these, get them done one by one. Yeah. Okay, so pull requests. Let's close this and this. Okay. Compare and pull cbmogdis04. This change fixes and improves civilian cbmogdis textures. Okay. Sorry. Arts civilian minor optional. And now we copy paste this. in here. Down here we put a to do for the future. Some notes about the models. Yeah, good. Okay, create pull requests. Okay. And then next step is creating the YAML file. YAML. Create a copy here. This cbmogdis04 textures. I think we forgot something. We also, in this change, we also edited 03G and DG. So we should also note what we did there, which was shadows, add shadows. So we copy this and we add that here. Updates. And then we also add that here. Okay. Yeah. Like this. Then we also link the new pull down here. And that's good. And now we can edit this one here. Fixes and improve 04. Delete all this. And then we copy paste these guys in there. Oh, wait. Okay. The monkey brain is happy with all the documentation that, of course, everyone will read carefully. Yeah, that's what we expect. We release super patch into the wild, and everyone reads every line of the changelog, just like everyone reads the terms of service whenever they sign up for something, right? No one reads terms of service. No one reads a changelog. The changelog is outrageously large already. Way too large. But we're not even close to being done. Not at all. There's still infinite amount of work. Good. I think that's all. Good. Then we also add this push. Add YAML, commit, push. Good. Yeah, then this would be ready to merge. Maybe I'll leave it open for a few more minutes in case I change my mind on something and maybe something I want to touch again. But I think we looked at winter, summer, night, and it looked proper. And even if we made a small mistake somewhere, It's not the end of the world. We can always go back to the source files and make additional tweaks. But of course, it's good to just like be done with one thing and just check this off and never revisit. Basically, I hope that once I have got all the texture fixes done, I never need to touch them again. That's my hope, because there's not really a desire or motivation to like change the look of these textures, right? They are meant to look the way they were originally created. Just fix all the junk that is in there, right? And so there must be some state where the texture sets are final, so to say, right? Okay, then yeah, that's good. Yeah, is there anything else we can maybe look at? I mean, this video is not so long now because we lost 1 hour. The video would have been 2 hours already, but yeah, we lost minutes, unfortunately. Yeah. GitHub. Yeah. Someone asked here in the Thyme public Discord, asked where they can download the Thyme build to test it. That is here on this link. Accessible through actions. So yeah, assembly Armada Thyme actions, and then you click here on Windows, and then click on the latest develop change, which is here under the develop branch. Here's a change, and click on this, and then scroll down, and then there's artifacts here at the bottom. It says Thyme 40.8 megabytes, and there you can download the latest Windows compiled build, and then you just drop that into the game install directory, and then it should launch Thyme. But you need, now there's some caveat, you need to launch with the game.dat from the original CD version. Yeah, I think game.dat, well, maybe game.dat from Steam works, and from EA app, maybe not, I'm not sure. But it is targeted to be tested for the original game.dat 1.4 version from the CD distribution. Yeah, it doesn't work with First Decade or Ultimate Collection. Yeah. Or you just compile it yourself. Just download the source, create a Visual Studio solution. It can be done. You can look at that. So when you clone the Git repository, then you have it on your disk like this, and then you can go to Tools, Build, WinX86, and then you can take Visual Studio 2019 or 22, click here on Create Solution, and that will generate a solution with a CMake build that it downloads, and that will generate this solution here, .solution folder in the root directory of Thyme, and there you find the VS 2022, and there Thyme.sln, that's the solution file. Then the solution opens in Visual Studio like this, and here you can select, let me stop here this. You can select the configuration. So you probably want to run with release or rel with step info. Debug probably not. And then you need to, What do you need to do? Ah, you need to go to Configuration Manager, and if you don't have it, then put a checkbox here and install. Yeah. And then compile with build solution F7. And then you need to go here on proxy DLL. At least that's the way I do it. And then I go here on debugging in all configurations on Win32 platform. Command, there I put the path to game.dat from my target install. Put the command arguments -win, and then okay. Then right click this and then set a startup project, and then F5, and then it launches. Thyme build. And then it hits a breakpoint here. And remove the breakpoints.
EA Games.
Challenge.
And there we go. And then to verify that it works correctly here at the top of the window, it should say Thyme and then the game title, right? Maybe I'll make the volume a bit quieter here. Yeah. So this is Thyme running right now. Looks like the original because that's the intent. Yeah. But it's not. There can be bugs. Yeah. So lots of bugs have been identified and fixed. But yeah, each time we add new codes of the original game, there can be new bugs which we need to find and fix. And again, yeah. Okay, then yeah, this is how you can do it, or you just download the artifacts. That's probably easier. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Then I'm too lazy now to start with the next texture set. I think I need a break because I'm already 2 hours working here on this. Yeah, so we fix the issue in w3d viewer with the camera movement. We finalized cbmogdis04 textures. That's also good. And yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, so then yeah, next video, next textures, I think. And yeah, we need to power through the textures. Need to fix them all. And then once we're done with that, the next work awaits. Yeah, no break. But I take a break now. Maybe I do 1 more hour later. Maybe not. I need a break now. I need a break. Yeah. Okay. All right.